Yeah, no one to get in my way. And I might kiss someone I don't know, just to see where it might go. Or